Sir, in the last video, we covered very clearly up to LBP number 300. Okay, we covered up to LBP number 300. So in today's session, we need to talk about the 301 programs onwards. Okay, so let me discuss about those programs one by one in today's session, sir. 1 minute. The programs are not there. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. So this is nothing but LBP number 301. Sir, what is this program? Reverse and replace. Reverse and replace. Given a string or sentence need to be reversed. Okay. And vowels need to be replaced with numbers from 1 to 9. Okay. 1 to 9. In the reversed string, replaced number should be appear in descending order. In descending order from left to right. In the descending order from left to right. If there are more than 9 vowels, sir, the numbering should starts from 1. Okay, if there are more than 9 vowels are there, so then actually what we have to do, you have to count from 1. So I think reverse is not there in the test cases. 1 minute, we will see the test cases, then we will get some clarity, sir. Okay, let me go with the 301. Yeah, so you can see here, I think reverse is there or not. So yeah, welcome is there. Yeah, reverse is not there, sir. You can see here how this welcome is updated. Suppose if we have the content like welcome, so W, next one is vowel or not? Yes, the next one is nothing but vowel. So we have to count as one. Then L, C, again O is a vowel. So we have to count from 2. Then M, again E is there 3. So this is nothing but the expected output. That means wherever vowel is there, you have to replace with its a count value, vowels count value. Okay, suppose consider we have a string where, so we got vowels from 1 2 3 4 5, so 7, I mean 1 to 9, up to this. If you came, then again you have to start from 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, you should not take 10, sir. You should not take 10. If you have more than 9 vowels, then that 10th vowel should continue from 1. That is nothing but requirement. I think there is a problem here. Given string need to be reversed, reverse is not there here. So vowels have to be replaced with numbers from 1 to 9. So I think the concept is clear for you people. Please confirm, is the concept is clear, sir, so that we can go for implementation. Please confirm. Yes, sir. So let me go for C language implementation for this. Okay, maybe it is somewhat difficult, but let us try, sir. Okay, so first we need to go for C language implementation. How you can able to solve this program by using C language? Sir, observe carefully. Okay, I am taking C language. So character S of 100 characters I am taking. Okay, so next integer I is required, sir. Count is also required. I am taking count is equal to 1. Okay, next, and after that, yeah, I think that's sufficient. So now I am going to read the string. So scanf percentage D, sorry, percentage yes, but we have more than one word is there. So that's why I am reading in the form of lines, sir. Okay, my input is ready. So for each I is equal to 0, s1 of I is there, I plus plus. So I'm going to check if your s of I is equal to a, vowels came. So a, so e, I, o, u. So a, e, I, o, u. So like this, if any vowel came, so then you have to print percentage d comma c value. Okay, that's all. Immediately you have to increment c. So after this, okay, after this, so while writing this loop itself, I mean while checking, by mistake if the value of c became 10, then initialize c is equal to 1, because you have to start from again original. This is whenever you are getting vowel. Suppose if you are not getting vowel, just you can print as it is, right? You can print as it is, no need to disturb that string. Okay, let me run the program whether it is going to work or not. Yes, you can see all the test cases are satisfied. So here I think only 8 is there. Okay, no problem. Let me submit the code for final approval. You can see here all the test cases has been successfully executed. This is nothing but C language implementation. Sir, I want to implement the program in Java. How you can able to implement in Java? Sir, in Java also same terminology I am going to use. There is no change at all. Same terminology. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of I am taking system dot in. Okay, next and after that, so string s is equal to, sir, obj dot I am taking next line. So then integer I am taking, okay, maybe required. So count is equal to 1. So for each I is equal to, sorry, for each I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length. Every character I am fetching I plus plus. Sir, if the value of s dot char at of I, better every time it is difficult for me to write. So character ch is equal to s dot char at of I am taking. Sir, if ch is equal to a, okay, a, e, I, o, u. So like this if you are getting, then what you have to do? Sir, I'm going to print system dot out dot print of so count plus plus, by mistake if c value came to 10, then assign to 1. Else what we have to do? System dot out dot print of so you can print ch, right? That's all. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes, perfectly it is working, and submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are satisfied. Now I want to go for Python implementation of this program. So how you can implement in Python? Let me take Python code. So I am taking s is equal to input, okay, for each I value in s, but before that count is equal to 1. For each I value in s, so I am going to check whether I is in AEIOU. If it is available, then I am going to print C and end is equal to empty. Then C is equal to C plus 1. After that, if C is equal to 10 came, okay, then I want to assign C is equal to 1. Else, if it is not the case, so print the value of I and take end is equal to empty. That's all. So this is nothing but how you can implement in Python. Yes. So hope you got a clarity about this. Any doubts in this implementation, friends? Please confirm. Yes, I request everyone to respond. Any doubts? Yes. So let me go for next program, sir. What is the next program? LBP number 302. Sir, a party on crash. Okay. Sir, a party has been organized on crash. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah, we have to use in another class. See, nothing. We have to take this string and string reverse you can apply. Suppose if they are asking to print the numbers in this style, like instead of printing from 1 to 10, I mean 1 to 9, if they are asking from 9 to, then you have to start from 9. You have to start from 9. Then, so I think 10 you can take here. So C minus minus you can take here. Whenever the value of C become 0, then you can again initialize C is equal to 10. Priyanka, if you want to do in the reverse, okay, yeah, that we can do. Sir, the party is organized for a limited time T. The number of guests entering EI and leaving LI in the party at every hour is represented in the form of array. The task is to find the number of guests present at the crash at the end. Sir, at the final, how many guests are available on that party? We have to find out. So for that, for every hour, they are maintaining how many people came, how many people went. So like input is there, output is there. So what we have to do, sir, total how many members came, you can add that array. So that the total number of candidates entered will be there, minus the total number of candidates left the meeting. Okay, if you count, then it will become your result. I think this program is very simple program only. Directly I'm going for implementation, but before that I will explain the test case. You can see here, let me take one test case. Yeah, here, let me take second one or first one, 5. So 5 hours report is there. Sir, 7. Okay, in this hour 7 members came. Sir, one member left. So that, so initially 7 members are there, one person left means, sir, it will be 6. Then 0 persons came in the second hour. So then 2 persons left. So 6 minus 2, 4. Then again 5 persons came. Then it will become 9. Sir, then one person left. Sir, it will become 8. So then one person came. Again it became 9. Sir, then 3 members left. Sir, 6. Okay. Again 3 members came. Sir, this will become 9. Sir, 4 members left. It will become 5. That's all. Sir, total how many people are there? 5. I think you can add this value, this array, and you can add this array. Let it be sum 1 and let it be sum 2. Sir, sum 1 minus sum 2 is nothing but our result. Please confirm. Is the logic is clear for you? So that I can go for implementation, friends. Please confirm. Yes, sir. So let me solve this program. Let me solve this program. So I am taking first C language. Sir, integer I am taking a of 100. So I and then n. Okay. And we require two arrays, right? A and then B. Sum 1, sum 2. Okay, so now, so scanf percentage d comma entry hours time. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I am taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I. Similarly, you have to find out the leaving hours. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So scanf percentage d comma, so b of I am taking. So all the inputs got accepted. Sum 1 is equal to 0, I am taking. Then sum 2 is equal to 0, I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n. Okay, I plus plus. What you have to do? Sum 1 is equal to sum 1 plus e of I. Similarly, so how to calculate sum 2? I is equal to 0, same I less than n, I plus plus. So sum 2 is equal to sum 2 plus b of I we have to take. So finally, I am printing the result. Print a percentage d, sum 1 minus sum 2. That's all right. Whatever logic I explained, just I try to implement it. Sir, here, 1 minute, somewhere the problem is there. Ampersand b of I we have to take. Yes, 3, yes, 2 we have to take. Yeah. Now it is working, and submit the code. Yeah, Shushant. Yes, perfectly executed. This is nothing but how you can implement in C language. So I want to implement the same scenario in Java. So how you can implement in Java? Let me take the same program. So what we have to do, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int. So integer a is equal to new integer of n. Integer b is equal to, so new integer of n. Then sir, integer I we have to take to run the loop, and sum1 is equal to 0, sum2 is equal to 0. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, what we have to do? Sir, sum1, we have to read the input, right? First of all, so I am taking a of I is equal to obj dot next int. Similarly, so for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, so I am taking b of I is equal to obj dot next int. Okay, fine. Both inputs are ready. Now you have to calculate some initialization is also done. I less than n, I plus plus, s1 is equal to s1 plus e of I. So same for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So you have to take s2 is equal to s2 plus e of I. Then finally, I want to print s1 minus s2 is nothing but my result, sir. Let me run the code. Sir, first test case is failed. Any mistake here? Yeah, here we have to take b of I, not a of I. It's perfectly working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can able to execute in Java. So I want to implement the code in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Let me take Python code. So I am taking n is equal to int of input. Okay, then L1 is equal to, so int of I, for each I value in input dot split, I am reading the first array. Next, and after that, I am going to read second array L2. Okay, then what we have to do? Sir, for each, let me define some, you can take directly, right? I think directly you can print the result. Print of sum of L1 minus sum of second elements. That's all right. Yes, perfectly working. Sir, hope it is very clear for you. So do you have any doubts in this challenge? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this challenge? Please confirm. Yeah. So the next problem what we have here is LBP number 303, airport security. Airport security. Sir, somewhat easy program only. Just have a look once. Sir, airport security officials have so confiscated several items of the passenger at a security checkpoint. All the items have been dumped into a huge box. They have dumped into a huge box. They have given, it is nothing but an array. So each item possessed a certain amount of risk. The risk levels are nothing but 0, 1, 2. So every item is having some risk levels, are like the products which you are carrying. So here is the risk of severity of the items represented in an array of numbers with integer values. Sir, the risk here is to sort the, okay, item based on their level of risk. Values are ranging from 0 to 2. Okay, so we have some products are there. Every product is associated with some risk level, like 0, 1, 2. We have to sort according to the risk level. That means 0 will come first. I mean the products which is having 0 level risk will process first, and then one risk, and then two risk, like that. Nothing but sorting of the elements. Beyond that, nothing is there. I think we can write sorting program for this. But before that, let me have a look once about the test cases, whether it is correctly mentioned or not. You can see, sir, 7 1021 sorry 1020 102, like this we have items. Sir, all the elements are sorted or not? Yes, according to which order? Ascending order. Okay, so I think no need to explain this program because already we have this solution. So please confirm, is the concept is clear for you? Is the concept is clear for you? Please confirm. Yes, so it is nothing but just sorting the elements. Beyond that nothing is there. 1 minute, I am searching for the program. I think it is somewhere available. Yeah, so this program you can take. So C, Java, and then Python. Now, sir, coming to the next program, what is this program? Chocolate Factory. What is the title of the program? Chocolate Factory. Sir, a chocolate factory is packing chocolates into packets. The chocolate packets here represent an array of n number of integer values. Okay. The task is to find empty packets, that means zero, of chocolates, and push it into the end of the conveyor, nothing but belt. So of an array. Sir, something like in a factory, they are producing some chocolates. Sir, we have to move that empty chocolates to the end. So the chocolates which is having content, you have to bring front. So here, how it is empty chocolate, how we are going to identify? So if zero is there, then it is nothing but empty chocolate. Okay, remaining items you can process. Sir, don't think that it is a sorting mechanism. No, it is something like semi-sorting. Only one element we have to sort, which is nothing but a zero. If anywhere zero is there, bring to last. Remaining elements you should not change. Okay, let me see some logic, sir. I mean, let me see some test cases so that we will get some idea. Sir, you can see here 7, sir, 4501950, like this we have. Remaining elements as it is you have to take. Sir, how many zeros are there? Empty packets are there? 2. Those 2 you have to move to the end. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay. Sir, is the concept is clear for you? Please confirm. If the concept is clear, I will go with implementation. Yes, please confirm. Right, friends. Let me implement. Sir, we have to take array elements. Beyond that, nothing is there. So what is the first step? I am going to take an array, integer a of 100. So I, n we have to take, and also count must be required. So first I am going to take scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand a I am taking, a of I am taking. Okay, so next and after that the count is equal to I am taking 0. Count is equal to I am taking 0. Sir, now I'm going to count how many non-zero values are there. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, sir, if a of I is not equal to 0, then you can print that element. Suppose if it is 0, then count plus plus. So finally, for I is equal to 0, I less than count value, that is a C, I plus plus. How many zeros are there? It is there in the count. Just we are printing those many zeros at the end. Beyond that, nothing is there. Yes, perfectly. All the zeros came at the ending or not? Yes. Perfect, sir. Now let me implement the program by using Java. I want to go for Java implementation. So let us see how you can able to solve this program by using Java, sir. I am selecting the programming language as a Java. So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. So what are the required variables? Integer I, n. Okay, next and after that a array is required, then count also required. So first I am going to read n is equal to obj dot next int Then I am creating an array A with n values. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I am going to read A of I is equal to obj dot next int. Okay. So next and after that, what we have to do, sir, you need to get the values. Count is equal to 0. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I'm going to check if A of I is not equal to 0, then system dot out dot print of A of I am printing, followed by space. Else, if it is not the case, count plus plus I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than count I plus plus system dot out dot. So print of, sir, I am taking 0. That's all. So let me run the code, how it is going to work. So you can see all the test cases are working properly, and submit the code for final approval. You can see here all the test cases are satisfied. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I am taking Python program here. So n is equal to int of input, then L is equal to, sir, int of I for each I value in input dot split. Next, what we have to do, you need to maintain a count. Count is equal to 0 for each I in L. Okay. If I is not equal to 0, just print the value of I and take end is equal to space. Otherwise, so C is equal to C plus 1. So finally, for I in the range of 0 to C, sir, I am printing the value called 0 followed by space, and the end is equal to, I think here you can remove space and here you can give space, so that easily we can understand. Let us run the code. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes. So I think you got clarity how to solve this program. So please confirm, friends, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yeah. So let me go for next program, sir. Yeah, please tell me, Sushant. Sushant, share to my WhatsApp. I will check and I will update later. So now the next challenge what we have here is, sir, digital logic. Joseph is learning a digital logic subject, so which will be for his next semester. So he usually try to solve unit assignment problems before the lecture. Before the lecture, he is trying to solve that problem. Today, he got one tricky question. The problem statement is, a positive integer has been given as an input. Convert decimal value to binary representation, and sir, toggle all bits of it after the most significant bit, including. So, I mean, you have to include the most significant bit and you have to toggle the bits. That means what? You need to convert zeros into ones and ones into 0. Okay. Then print the positive integer value after toggle bits. Let me analyze this by taking some sample test case. So here they have given 10. They have given 10. So first step, you have to convert it into binary. So 1010, 8421 code. Then you have to toggle the bits. That means 1 can be represented as 0, 0 can be represented as 1. And what is its decimal value? 5. That is nothing but our output. But seems to be easy program, but very difficult to solve, because, sir, here you may consider, sir, directly you can convert decimal to binary. Yes, possible. But from this to this, and from this to this will become very easy. This process is very difficult, sir. Okay, because always you have to take in 4-bit representation. Okay, so in the program also they have given up to 15 numbers only. That's why, sir, you have to take 4-bit representation, which is very, very difficult. So please concentrate how I am going to solve this program. Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? Is the logic is clear for you how to solve? Please confirm so that I can go for implementation. More than 15 means you need to take one more 8 bits, 8 bit, sorry, 5-bit representation. Sufyan. Yeah. Sir, let us solve this program. Okay, it is a new program, sir. Even for the last batch, I didn't cover this. I mean, I didn't add it, but let me try. So I'm taking an integer number n. Okay, n1 and n2, two numbers I'm taking. Okay, then binary value we have to convert. So for that I am taking b of 4 is equal to, sir, all the 4 elements are nothing but 0. Then I loop I am taking. Sir, observe carefully. First I am going to read the value of n1. Then, sir, I want to calculate the digits. So while n1 is not equal to 0, while n1 is not equal to 0, sir, I want to calculate a digit. How to calculate a digit? Digit is equal to n percentage. Don't take 10, take 2. Sir, if you take 5, so if you divide with 2, sir, 2 2s are 4, right? Remainder is nothing but 1. Then, sir, 2 1s are 2. Remainder is nothing but 0. Okay, sir, 1 0 1. Don't take like this. So take 0 1 0 1, like 4-bit representation. So you have to store this at last. At last. Okay, or I will take which number will be convenient? 8 I will take. Sir, 2 4s are 8, 0 is the remainder. Sir, 2 2s are 4, 0 is the remainder. Sir, 2 1s are 2, 0 is the remainder. Now you got the clarity. Okay, so we are going to get 1 0 0. That means what? You have to store the numbers, but anyway, while retrieving, you have to come in the reverse direction, not in this direction. So first we will get this number. Second, we will get this number. Third, we will get this number. Like this, we are pushing. That means what? So instead of 1 0 0 0, it will be pushed in the form of 0 0 0 1. Anyway, to convert it into decimal, we will take in this order, right? But if you take in this order, it will be fine, right? That's all. Very simple logic. So while d is not equal, d is equal to n percentage 10. So I'm going to take, so b of I plus plus is equal to, b of I plus plus is equal to that digit. Then n is equal to n by 2. So anyway, I got a complete binary value. Now observe carefully, sir. For I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Like this I am taking. So if the number is 10, how it is represented? 1010. How it is represented? 1010. Now, sir, these 4 bits are there with me. Now, sir, anyway, the data is stored in this style only. So 2 5s are 2, sorry, 2 5s are 10. Sir, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. So 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So you have to take in this style. Okay, is the data is stored in this style or not? Yes. So that's why keep as it is. Now the direct step is nothing but you have to convert 0 to 1 and 1s to 0. Then this should be multiplied with 2 power 0. This should be multiplied with 2 power 1. This should be multiplied with 2 square. This should be multiplied with 2 cube, right? I think reverse order we have to take. This should be multiplied with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Like this you have to take. Okay, so anyway, it is nothing but 4-bit. You can take 4 variables and you can solve this problem, right? That will be fine. Okay, now observe carefully how I am going to do. So 0 into 2 power 0, sir, 1 plus, so this 0 will be gone, 1 into 2 square, so 1 into 2 square is 4. Sir, is the result is 5 or not? Yes. Now I am going to take that one. Observe carefully, friends. So integer, okay, a1 is equal to, I am calculating first number. So from where you have to take b of 0, okay, b of 0. And similarly, integer a2 is equal to, which one you have to take b of 1. So integer a3 is equal to, which one you have to take, sir, b of 2. So integer a3 is equal to, which one you have to take, so b of 3. Like this you need to take, sir. Okay, but anyway, it is not correct, we have to write some statements. So observe carefully. So we have to take one simple condition, sir. If otherwise I will write a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. So if your b of I is equal to 0, then make b of I is equal to 1. So if else you have to make b of I is equal to 0, right? So if 0 is there, then make it 1. If 1 is there, make it 0, so that we will get the values right. Now I am going to find out n2. How to get n2? Sir, first bit. What is the first bit? B of 0. So B of 0 into B of 0 or last one? Last one. So B of 3 we are going to get. B of 3 into 2 power 0. What is the 2 power 0 value? 1. Plus B of 2 into. So next one is 2 power 1, which is nothing but 2. Plus B of 3 into. What is the next value? 2 cube, which is nothing but, sorry, 2 square, which is nothing but 4. 8, 4 to 1 code I am taking, sir. Beyond that, nothing. So 3 and then, sorry, 3, 2, 1, and then we have to take 0. So 0 into 8. That's all. This is nothing but the logic, sir. So again, I will explain, don't worry. So print of percentage d comma n2. Even I too don't know whether it is going to work or not. Observe carefully what is the logic. Sir, they have given n1 is equal to 7. I converted into binary. So what is the code? 8421 code. So by adding 4 to 1, we will get 7. So 0, 1, 1, 1. Then this data is available in B. I am reconstructing the B here. If B of I is equal to 0, replace to 1. If it is 1, replace to 0. Like this I took. Then B of 3. B of 3 means what? This one. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3. B of 3 into 1. So 0 into 1. 0 plus. Next, B of 2 into 2. So 0 into 2. 0. Okay. Plus. So B of 1 into 4. 0 into 4. So 0. Okay. Plus. Sir, B of 0 into 8, 1 into 8, which will become 8. So what is the result? 8. Is it correct or not? Yes. So let me check. First of all, is it going to work or not? Even I to have some doubt. Sir, n, undefined declare variable n. Sorry, we have to take n1, it seems. I is uninitialized. You have to take I is equal to 0. Yeah. Sir, you can see your output is 10. Expected output is, oh, your output is 1. Expected output is, yeah. What is the problem here? Anyone? So 5 is there means, so with the 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. This value we are going to store it in B of 0. So 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So B of 1 is nothing but 0. So then B of 2 is nothing but 1. Anyway, B of 3 will become 0 because by default 0 side we assigned. So from 0 to 4 we are taking. That means 1 0 1 0. Is it the value of 5? No. So 0 1 0 1. Oh, we have to take it in reverse direction. I think if you change this, it will work, right? So first I will take 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Yes, perfect, sir. That's all. So all the test cases are going to work properly. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language, sir. Please confirm, is this concept is clear for you? Please confirm. Then only I can go for Java implementation. I request everyone to please respond. Is it clear for you? Yeah, nice program. A bit tricky program. Beyond that, nothing. Yeah. So let me implement this code in next programming language. Okay, which is nothing but Java. I want to implement this program in Java, sir. Let us see how you can implement in Java. So I am going for Java implementation. I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, in Java, how to solve this program? Sir, same process, right? The process is the same. Let me go for Java code. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of, so system dot in I am taking integer n1 is equal to obj dot, sir, next int I am taking, so integer I am creating an array with 4 elements. No need to initialize the values because by default it will take. So I is required, d is required, n2 is also required. So now we have to read n1 already completed. While n1 is not equal to 0, then digit is equal to n1 percentage 2. Then I am going to store the value of I is equal to, let us initialize to 0. So a of I plus plus will become d, sir. Next n1 is equal to n1 by 2. That's all. Now for I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. So I am going to check a small condition. If your b of I is double equal to 0, then I am taking b of I is equal to 1. So else I am going to take b of I is equal to 0, like this. So finally you can write n2 is equal to, just now we have seen the formula, right? So b of 0 into 1 plus b of 1 into 2, so plus b of 2, okay sir, into 4, so plus b of 3 into 8, like this we have to take. Finally we need to print the value of n2. Beyond that, nothing. So let me run the code. Oh, I have created array with the name b. Let me take it as a. Sometimes I used a, sometimes I used b. That's all. Let us submit the code. You can see the remaining test cases also executed successfully. So this is nothing but what we have in Java programming. Okay. Sir, now I want to implement in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this program in Python? Let us see, sir. Okay. So I am taking Python code. So first n is equal to, or n1 directly I will take n is equal to, so int of inputs, and I am creating a list with how many elements, sir? 4 elements. All the 4 elements are 0. So now while the value of n is not equal to 0, so digit is equal to n percentage 2. Now, sir, I want to store L of I is equal to, okay, L of I is equal to, sir, that digit, and n is equal to n double slash 2 I am taking. Okay, so after this I is equal to I plus 1, before that I is equal to 0. Fine. Sir, my loop got completed. Next, so for each element in L, okay, sorry, for each I in the range of 4. So if L of I, if L of I is equal to 0, then make L of I is equal to 1. Anyway, it is a mutable object, that's why no problem. Otherwise, so L of I is equal to 0. Fine. So finally, directly I am printing the value. Sir, L of 0 into 1 plus, sir, L of 1 into, okay, L of 1 into, sir, 2 plus L of 1, L of 2 into, sir, we have to take 4 plus L of 3, sir, into 8 I am taking. That's all right. Let me run the code. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve this program in Python, sir. So hope it is very clear for you. Any doubts on this program, sir? Please confirm. Any doubts on this program, sir? Please confirm. Yes. So that's all about today's session, sir. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the last class. So tomorrow will be the last class. So tomorrow 8 o'clock to max at 8:45 I am going to wind up. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Don't miss tomorrow's class. Thank you, sir. For LBP6, yes, pending programs are there. I think 151 to 200 we need to finish. That will be covered later. I am talking about only LBP5. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I will add Priyanka. No, no, no. There is no data structures batch. Sir, tomorrow we will talk. Okay, because I have some emergency work. Thank you.